Hi guys, today I've got this shaker card to share with you that I made for my niece's birthday. I used this Floral Striplet Die from Craftascope to make the front of my shaker card. And once I die cut my die, because it's quite intricate, some of the pieces that aren't part of the actual die were still stuck into the gold foil card, so I just used this little pokey tool to poke out all the excess parts. And this isn't an actual pokey tool. This is actually a nail varnish dotter tool that I have lying around. I haven't got a pokey tool and this works just as well. And again, because the die cut's quite intricate, I choose to use a glue pen to adhere the acetate to the card. This just makes it easier to glue down because of the thin lines and the intricacy. And here I'm selecting some toppers from a Hunkdory set. It's called the Floral Wishes collection. And I just move my selections around and just try them in different places on the card until I'm happy with the positioning. Next I select some sequin mix to go in my shaker card. And this is a sequin mix that I've made myself. This will be available to buy on my Etsy store along with other mixes that I've made. I'll add the link into the bio below. And here you can see I've put foam pads all around the edge of my Longline card, and I take off the backing and then I add some glue as well just for extra adhesion, just to make sure that it stays in place. And now I'm adding some foam pads to my toppers and placing them onto my card. And when I started this card, I got the idea of an intricate front on the top of a shaker card, but I wasn't quite sure how it was going to turn out, and I didn't really know that I was going to be using this Hunkdory topper set. It actually arrived after I'd already got the idea for this card in mind, and when I saw the set and the girl and the tag, I just thought it was absolutely perfect for this card. I'd already got a colour scheme in mind of what I wanted to use, and this just fits in perfectly. And then to finish the card, I just wanted to add a little bit of ribbon over the tag shaped topper. So I just adhere that down after snipping the edges off. And that's it, it's all done. And I really like this card, I'm really pleased with how it turned out. And I know my niece loves these colours, so I'm sure that she was really pleased with it too. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Until next week, stay safe guys, bye.